Good day, everyone. We are working out January 2021 Mathematics Paper 2 for CSEC. We are number 5. This is a statistics question. We are told that students take an algebra test with 15 multiple choice questions. And we have a frequency table giving us data from that exam. And we are asked to find out the number of students who had exactly 13 correct answers. We look at the table, 13 correct answers. We look at the number of students over here, and we get 11. All right, so the number of students who had exactly 13 correct answers is 11. The modal number of correct answers. So we're looking for the most popular number of correct answers. All right, so the 14 students scored 9. All right, so because this is the highest number, this is the highest. All right, frequency, the answer is 9, not 14, the answer is 9. Okay, so most students got 9 in the exam. And the median number of correct answers, what we do is we add up the frequencies to find out how many students in all wrote the exam. 6 plus 14 plus 2, right? So we add this up. 6 plus 14 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 11 plus 9 plus 10. And we get 60, 60. So therefore, this is an even number of data. And what happened is we look for the halfway point, which is the 30th and 31st numbers, right? There will be two numbers in the middle when we put them in ascending order. So we add up 6 and 14 is 20, and 2 is 22, 28, 30. So the 30th number is 12, and the 31st number is 13. So to find the median, we have two numbers in the middle. So we must add 12 and 13 and divide by 2. That will give 12.5, which is our answer. Let's move on. The probability that a student chosen at random had at least 12 correct answers. So at least 12 means greater than or equal to 12. So let's see how many. We have 2 plus 11 plus 9 plus 10. So 2 plus 11 plus 9 plus 10. All right, so we add these up. All right, and we get 32. And now we take the total number of students. So we divide 32 by 60. And this will give the probability, all right, that we need. 432 is 8, 460 is 15. This is our answer, 8 over 15 is the probability that we need for our question. All right, moving on. A group of students wrote a physics examination. Each of the students received a grade 1, 2, 3, or 4. The pie chart below shows the results. 39 students got grade 3. Determine the total number of students who wrote the exam. So 117 degrees is the amount of degrees in this sector, which also represents 39 students. So the fraction of the whole circle is 117 over 360, because a whole circle has 360 degrees. So 117 over 360 of the total number of students, let's call it n. All right, calling it n for sure, that is equal to 39. So we can make an equation out of this. We can make an equation out of this. 117 over 360 multiplied by n is equal to 39. We want to find n, so we will divide 39 by 117 over 360, which is 39 over 1 multiplied by 360 over 117, because we have to invert the second fraction. Okay, and 39 multiplied by 360 and divided by 117 would give 120. Okay, so we have 120 students as our answer, right? 120 students I wrote the exam. All right. That's the total number of students N. The ratio of the number of students who achieved a grade 1, 2, or 4 is 2 to 4 to 3. A student passed the examination if he or she received a grade 1, 2, or 3. How many students passed the examination? So the total number of students who wrote is 120. So the number of students who got 1, 2, or 4 is 120 minus 39. $81. All right, so you have 81 students who got 1, 2, or 4. All right, I'll say, let me change the or here. All right, let me change that or 1, 2, and 4. Okay, so the total number of students who got 1, 2, and 4 is 120 minus 39, right? Because 39 students got 3s. So now we have a ratio 2 to 4 to 3. All right, and the first number represents the number of 1s, second one represents 2s, and the third one represents 4s, right? So we are asked to find out how many students passed the exam. How many got 1s, 2s, or 3s? All right, so we know how many people got 3s. We got 39 people. But the question is how many people got 1s and 2s? All right, so in all, we add up the number of parts and we get 9 parts, all right? And then we add up 2 and 4, and 6 out of the 9 parts receive passing grades. And all of these add up to 81 children. So we just cancel 9 into 9, 1, 9 into 81, 9, 9, 6 is 54. These 54 people, students, got 1 and 2. All right, 1 and 2s, right? All right, so the ones who got the 1s and the ones who got the 2s. All right, the total number. So the total students who passed, the answer is 54 plus 39. All right, and we work this out and we get 93 students. So 93 students got 1s, 2s, or 3s, right? 1s, 2s, or 3s. All right. So okay, so let's move on to the part 3, the value of the angle for the sector represented in grade 1 on the pie chart. All right. So let's look at grade 1. Okay. So the number of people who got grade 1 now is 2/9, right? So the grade 1 students are using the ratio above and we're saying 2 out of 9 by 81. All right, so 81. Now 9 into 9, 1, 9 into 81, 9, 9 2s are 18. So 18 students got grade 1. All right, and in total you have 120 students. So the fraction of students getting grade 1 in grade 1 is 18 out of 120. Okay, and we want to find out how much degrees that would be in that sector of the circle, right? This is what we want to find out. What to put here question mark, okay? How many degrees goes in this sector? So we multiply 18 over 120 by the total number of degrees in our circle, which is 360, all right? And we cancel 12 under 12, 1, 12 under 36, 3. 18 times 3 is 54, so we get 54 degrees, right, which is our answer. So we would write 54 degrees in this sector. Okay. So that is the answer to question 5. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.